Two homes hit the market in Bowling Green at the same price. One gets multiple offers in the first week. The other sits and gets price reductions and sells for less. Same price, same market, so what made the difference? Preparation. Most sellers either overdo the wrong things or miss the things that actually matter. I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, and I help sellers position their homes so they don't just list, they sell. Let's walk through what actually moves the needle. Before you clean anything, paint anything, or spend $1, you need a plan. Not every upgrade adds value, and not every project is worth the cost. Your price range, your competition, and your neighborhood all determine what buyers expect. The goal is to make the right improvements, not the most improvements. Buyers don't buy your stuff, they buy space. If they can't picture themselves living in your home, they'll move on. That means fewer personal items, clear countertops, less furniture, and organized spaces. You want your home to feel open, clean, and neutral. Think model home, not lived-in home. Clean homes sell better, and not just a quick surface clean. I'm talking about baseboards, windows, floors, kitchens, bathrooms. A clean home immediately tells buyers it's been well taken care of. Small issues feel big to buyers. Things like leaky faucets, loose handles, chipped paint, or squeaky doors may seem minor, but they create doubt. Buyers start wondering what else hasn't been maintained. Fixing these ahead of time builds confidence and prevents lower offers. You don't need a full renovation to make an impact. Simple updates can go a long way. Fresh neutral paint, updated lighting, new hardware, and small landscaping improvements can make your home feel more modern and move-in ready. First impressions start before buyers walk through the door. Your curb appeal matters more than you think. Make sure your lawn is maintained, your landscaping is clean, and your entry feels welcoming. You want buyers to feel excited before they ever step inside. Staging is about showing your home in its best light. That might mean rearranging furniture, removing bulky pieces, adding light, neutral decor. The goal is to highlight the space, the flow, and the functionality. Your first showing happens online. Professional photos can dramatically impact how many buyers click on your home and schedule a showing. And strong marketing ensures that your home is seen by as many qualified buyers as possible. Preparing your home isn't about perfection, it's about positioning. And when your home is positioned correctly, it stands out, it builds confidence, and it creates demand. If you're thinking about selling in Bowling Green and want a clear path on what to do and what not to do before you list, I'd be happy to walk through your home and help you create a strategy. And if you want more videos about selling, buying, or living in Bowling Green, make sure to subscribe.